Little is Less here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by TeckWrap Vinyl, and here are the things that they sent me. Okay, I got this cute little accessory case. It says TeckWrap on the front, and once you zipper it open, okay, I got a blue squeegee. And I got some tweezers, the nice holographic design on them for weeding. And this is their weeding pen, which is nice. It's all nice and blinged out. And here are their vinyls. I got color changing vinyls, and I believe these ones are pastel. So I'm just gonna add some eyes so you guys can see each color. Can you see that? When the vinyl gets cold, you see the color come through. Very nice. And here's the vinyls that I'm going to try out for today's DIY. I'm going to be using the Tiffany and the red from TeckWrap. They're color changing vinyls. And I got these beer can glasses from Amazon. Okay, I'm going to go into Cricut Design Space and get the images that I want. Taking these nice shapes here. And then I'm going to send it to my machine and we're going to cut it on a mat. Now all of TeckWrap's vinyl come with a clear protective sheet over them, so you just remove them before you cut your vinyl. And then we just cut our images on our Cricut. Okay, here is our beer can glass. So I'm just gonna clean off the surface using some rubbing alcohol to help our vinyl stick down properly. And then here is our image. So we're just gonna line it up. And then we're just gonna scrape it down, make sure it's adhere to our surface. And then we just peel back our transfer tape. And now we're gonna do the same thing with our next words that we want to put down, which is dad. So we're just gonna line it up, put it down. And give it a good little scrape to get out any bubbles or anything. And then we just peel back the transfer tape. And now for our next beer can glass. Just slowly peel back the transfer tape. And now I'm just going to wipe off the sides. I'll be putting some more little images on the side, and I was touching it with my fingers. So just clean it off with some more rubbing alcohol, and then we're going to place our little images going right around the back part of our mug. Now I know they do have these templates that you can buy for these mugs, and then they just come out with the design for you, and you just put it on your transfer tape and lay it going right around the surface of whatever you're using. But your girl, I don't have time for that. And you can do it this way yourself. Cut your images and just lay them all around your mug or your vase, whatever you're using, and it looks just as nice. And I didn't have to pay for it, extra for it. And here is our finished look. Now it's very nice. Nice mugs for dad. And this is the how it looks by itself when it doesn't have anything cold in it, which it still looks nice. Number one says Dad's the Lawn Whisperer, and the other one says greatest dad ever. Okay, so now we're gonna add the cold liquid to it and see what happens. See, it's changing. Isn't that nice? Once it gets cold, you see the color come through. This will make a lovely Father's Day gift for Dad, yes, when he puts his cold drink, or if he likes beer, you know, or wine, whatever he wants to drink in it, it's fine. And once he adds ice, it will change color. And this is what I made randomly, with images going all the way around. You don't need to buy a template. You could do your own. And look at that. Doesn't it look nice? Greatest dad ever. I love how they turned out. And here we go with 2 glass straws in them. Yeah, I didn't get the lids. They come with lids too. I didn't get the lids because Dad's not going to want to use the lids with them. No. So this is how I have them. A beautiful gift for Dad for Father's Day. Color changing vinyl from TeckWrap. Alright you guys, now I'm going to do another set of DIYs for something for Dad. And these are the colors I'll be using. These are from their pastel collection. And I'll be using Livable Green and Baby Blue. So I got the images that I want to use, and I'm going to use some rubbing alcohol to clean down the surface of our vase. And now we're just going to center our image and place it down. And then we are just going to use our scraping tool and scrape it down, and then we're just going to peel back the transfer tape. Now I'm going to be using some of this bling black ribbon here to help decorate the vase for Dad, and I'll be using some hot glue to glue it down. Now that that's all done, I have some more shapes, and I'm going to be placing them going around the vase. I didn't realize I was out of view when placing down these images, but you'll see at the end. And we have a lid for our jar. I think it looks very nice with the lid. And for our next DIY, I cleaned off the jar, so I'm going to place our image down. Whoops. I'm trying to center it. Okay. I think it's off just a little bit, but it will pass. It will still pass. So now I'm just going to scrape it down. Make sure it's adhered to the surface. And now I'm just going to peel back the transfer tape. And now I'll be using some more of the Glam Bling ribbon along with some more hot glue to decorate our vase for Dad. And now the same thing on the other side. And now I'm just going to add some of this silver sheet that we have here, which I cut into strips. And it comes with a self-adhesive on the back. So I'm just going to peel it back and add it to our vase. And again, our vase or jar has a lid. So this one, I have an old candlestick that I used from before, and it's black. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue it right onto the bottom. And here's our finished look. 2 glam vases that Dad can use. He could put his shavers in it. And little knickknacks that men have that they would like to keep on their dresser or in their bathroom. I think this would look absolutely lovely. Great Father's Day gift. I like the black and the silver. Kind of masculine, very nice. And World's Greatest Dad on the other one. Lovely Father's Day gift for the special person in your life. So leave me a comment below and tell me what you think of today's 2 DIYs using TeckWrap color change vinyl, and I believe it's their pastel colors vinyl. I love how they turned out. They both look nice. I love the color changing most of all. I will leave a link below to TeckWrap so you can go over and check them out and get some things for yourself. Alright everyone, thank you for coming on and seeing today's DIYs. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.